YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader Effects back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. I just want to ask right now, if you're not subscribed, if you could please hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the bell notification for future uploads. And if you are subscribed, please hit that like button and that bell notification as well, guys. If you are new to the Volt space, and you're wondering, hey, should I buy Volt or should I get into this investment? None of this is financial advice. Just want to clear that up. But what is wrong with you? Hello? We are the #1 meme coin of the year, 2023. We're going to smash it even more, guys. So why don't we go ahead and jump right into the updates.
Yeah. I got me some Volt. 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 You should get you some Volt. Fill up your bags. Back up the
Alright, guys. So we have Volt sitting at 608634. Okay. So this is the 4-hour chart, right? So about 4, 8, 12, 16, so 24 hours ago, Volt gave us this pin bar rejection, right? Came back up to retest previous resistance, which was support, okay, and now it gave us this big old candle, which this is considered a an evening star, okay, and a fat bearish candle. All right, now it was very close to hitting the level that I said that it would possibly hit, which was the 8225 area, okay, but seems like we most likely gonna hit that level, okay. That's from what it looks like. That's what it looks like it's doing. We had a perfect retest back up to the area that it pushed out of, okay. Now if we look at the 12-hour chart, we see that we have a big old candle dropping, okay, and if we go to the daily, same thing. Okay, but the daily gave us a nice pin bar rejection. All right, now, do I believe that price is gonna drop below this level? I don't know. I want to say yes, only for the simple fact that I feel that we're not done getting to the level that we need to be at. The next level would be either this level here at 7372 or 67, okay, anywhere within this area. If you see, we have a lot going on within these areas, okay, but from what I'm looking at today in the markets for the past few days, we'll go ahead and jump into CoinMarketCap, right? And as you can see, we are actually above the 800 mark of 800 billion for the overall crypto market, right? Now we were sitting at under this. We were sitting within 790, 795 around there for like about a few days. And of course it's due to the holidays. And like I said, I'm sure a lot had to do with Kraken, right? But as you can see, let me refresh the page so you can see this. Okay, we are up 1.27% for the day, for the last day. Bitcoin is actually above 16,005. It's actually at 16,722. Ethereum jumped up to 1216, and we have Dogecoin at 7 cents point 2. So Dogecoin went up today. Cardano's up to 25 cents today. Matic at 78 cents. Litecoin is up to $74. And Shiba's up to the 508182. It's been fluctuating from there. Now, really important, look at this. Solana is actually trending on DEX tools, and it's above the $10 mark. It actually came back up from I believe it was like 960 to 990 around there. Now it's sitting at $11.15. We're up 12% for the last 24 hours. All right, so that's a good sign, guys. For some reason, the crypto market is actually pumping today. All right, we have Chronos at 5 cents point 7. All right, And I think it's beautiful seeing some green today. Not expected. I didn't expect this at all, to be honest with you. For the simple fact that, I'm sorry, and I want to correct myself. Solana's actually trending on CoinMarketCap, not DEX Tools. But, yeah, this is a very good sign, guys. Now, will it continue pushing up? Not too sure. Like I said, only for the simple fact that I feel that we have not reached that level of strong support, right, for Ethereum or for Bitcoin. Like I said, it's due to come down even more. It's due to drop a little bit more. They have tons of price predictions between 10,000 to 12,000 for Bitcoin, and I believe it was like 800, 900 for Ethereum. All right, so that if that is the case, then we are due to see crypto drop a bit, but for the most part, we're pumping a little bit today. You know, we didn't came up quite a bit in overall in the crypto market. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump back to Volt. So, guys, just like I say every video, be mindful of how much you spend on, you know, on investment. Not financial advice, but I would dollar cost average on the way down. Now, if price ends up going back up, then cool. You know what I mean? If Volt ends up pumping after it touches this level, amazing, right? But you always want to have some money put aside in case it drops down to the 6-7 level, because that would be a massive opportunity to scoop up as much as you could. Okay, and I did some calculations, and I calculated that if we did drop to the 6-7 level, so for about $300, we can get almost $500 million Volt coins. Okay, now I don't know about you, but I'm trying to get to a certain level, to a certain amount that I want to hold the Volt. I want a certain amount of coins that I will be satisfied to hold for Volt. Okay, and getting to that level would really put me there, and I'm sure it'll put a lot of investors in a good spot too. So when it does turn around, we will be instantly in profit, guys. Okay, so DCA on the way down. Don't look at this like a bad thing. Look at it like, hey, it's a clearance. Things are on sale right now. Okay, and you know, I was thinking like, hey man, you know, Dogecoin, for example, is, you know, 7 cents. If you think about it, 7 cents for a chance to make a lot more back in return. That's nothing. If you were to drop $100 on that, for example, just throwing that as an example, not saying financial advice or anything, but you know, you got to look at it like, okay, what if I put $100 into something like this? When the bull market comes, or when the bull run comes, that little $100 is going to turn into thousands. You know what I mean? So, you know, take advantage of the market when it is down. Like I said, you don't have to buy, you don't have to put a lot of money. Just put a small amount. As it drops, you add more, and you add more, and you add more. And that's what I've been doing. Okay? So, yeah, guys, just want to throw that out there. Remember, never look at this as a bad thing. Look at this as it's on sale. It's a clearance. It's a better opportunity to get in at a better price. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump onto Twitter now. All right, guys, so here we are on Twitter. The main thing I want to point out right now is that the Volt Army already starting trends on the new year. Probably nothing. We are trending on Twitter, guys. All right, 57,000 tweets alone for Volt. All right, that's amazing, guys. All right, now what I want to draw your attention to is that we are on a new listing. Okay, we have a new listing, guys, and here I just want to read this to you guys. 2023 will be super voltage for Volt Inu. Now this is coming from the exchange Uphold Inc. Okay, and we flirted in 2022 with at Uphold Inc. Why not move to the next step by listing Volt on Uphold Inc. with the Twitter? Look at those eyes. See those eyes that Motoshi be putting? I'm telling you, when he does that, something. Okay, So now it's 105 exchanges from December 19th, 2021 to December 29th, 2022, guys. Okay? Guys, tap in to Twitter. You will find out a lot of information on Vote. Okay? The link is in the description. All right? But also, I want to point out little things, things like this. Game Bangers, shout out to you. He's hosting a live. Or I guess by the time you see this, he had already hosted the live. But there's always something that you can get more information on Vote. There's always someone speaking about Vote, putting out new information about Vote, just like I do, okay? And yeah, you guys want to be tapped in so you guys can be aware of the new updates that are going on, all right? And in just a few days, we will have Volti Change update go live, okay? Real soon, all right? And so, also, something else that I want to point out, major, take advantage of times like this. When Batoshi gives you a gift like this, you have to take it and embrace it, right? Listen, tax-free event. To start the year the Volted way, Batoshi is doing for the next 24 hours, every buy of 0.2 ETH or a 1 BNB will receive the 13% tax back in Volt at the end of the event. To qualify, you have to buy on VoltiChange, which is voltichange.net. The link is in the description as well, guys. So check it out, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and retweet that, like that. All right. Crypto Che, shout out to you, my brother. 1 out of 4. Congratulations to the top 3 participants in the VoltiChange video YouTube contest to win the NFT. All right, the Volted Dragons. Please vote for your favorite video, which I will post them below right here, guys. We have Optimum Hustle, Space Chick. Shout out to you, Space Chick. Shout out to you, Optimum Hustle. And Young Light 317. Shout out to UYL. Yeah, man. So, what's your favorite of the next 6 VoltiChange updates? Volted to announce the first VoltiChange updates that will go live within a week. Just little things like that, guys. We got a lot of major things going on with Volt. Okay, the Volted Dragon Sailors Club, which is the Volted NFTs, the Volt NFTs. All right, and yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on with Volt and where Volt is at, price wise, and what to expect. And yeah, guys, I hope everyone is having a great start of the year. I hope everyone is voted, and if you're not voted and you were kind of trying to see if this was a good investment for you, not financial advice, but I would say it is. If you really do your research and you see that Volt has accomplished a lot in the year that it's been out, then you will know that it would be stupid of you to not be part of the Volt team, part of the Volt army. All right, guys. So that's all I have for you guys today. Stay voted. Stay safe. Yeah. Peace.